I have many plans for my fast car. I must try them all. I am making a new fuel. It burns very hot. The mix is not perfect yet, but I know the answer. The monsters in the shimmering flats have salty poison. It is unique and perfect for me. Crock-pot fuel will burn. Bring me the poison. Our car will fly. Hello. Did you get the poison? Great. This poison works well. Thank you. Now I will boil it. I will add the extra liquid and the magic mix. Oh no. Where are my notes? We want to win the race. Small changes are important. We change the engine power, the coils, or the car's weight. Every detail helps. We use bird bones to fix our cars. These bones are strong and light. We can get them easily. Many birds live on the salt flats. Bring me some bones. I will give you good money. Do you have the bones? I want to fix the steering wheel. I need all parts first. Great. My crew will start the work now. Thank you. My brother makes a new fuel for his fast car. He is very smart. The fuel is very strong. Can burn the car's body. I want to fix the fuel tanks first. The turtles on the flats have hard shells. I will use them to make new tanks. The tanks will hold his strong fuel. You work well. Will you get the shells for me? My brother makes his fuel now. I am worried. I need the turtle shells quickly. You found them. Thank you. Wow, these shells are very hard. I need a lot of tools to work with them. Bring 30 rocket car parts to Cravel Coalbeard in the Shimmering Flats. Did you go to the flats? Did you bring the parts one wanted? Wow, look at that. There is some good stuff in this junk. I am sure I can sell it for a lot of money. And is that a body part between those two pieces of metal? Ouch! I would not want to be that driver. Thanks. Here is your money. And here is some free advice. If you look carefully, you can always make money from other people's accidents. Kill 10 saltstone basilisks, 10 saltstone crystal hides, and 6 saltstone gazers for Trackmaster Zirin on the Shimmering Flats. It is hard enough to clean up broken cars, and I don't want to clean up animal parts too. I hope you didn't kill any monsters on the racetrack. It takes a long time for the bodies to disappear in the sun, and I don't want to use a shovel to clean them up. Do you know the Brassbolts brothers? They are in the Shimmering Flats in Kalimdor. They are racing their rocket car against the goblins. They usually win, and that is normal. The goblin car explodes so much it almost never finishes the race. But even so, the Brassbolts brothers always want new ways to make their car go faster. Wizzle told me he needs a very rare part for his next test. He probably needs help finding that part. Talk to him and see. Ah, you want to help me? Great. There is a part 1 want for a test I am making, and I need a brave person like you to help me get it. Do you know the Shimmering Flats? It is a big salt flat in Kalimdor, south of the canyon. It is a great place for racing because the ground is flat. 2 gnome brothers live there. They are my friends. They test their fast car. The car is very fast. The drivers crash often and hurt their heads. They asked for some helmets. But I have work here. I cannot travel. Can you go? Watch your step. Look out. These items are delicate. Everything must work perfectly if we want to win. Ah, Longbeard sent you with the helmets. Hurrah! Now a driver will test our car.
Oh, hello. I am very happy to see you again. How was your trip to Darnassus? Well, you will be happy to know that we did a lot of work while you were away. We even saved a nest of eggs. But the mother died before we arrived. Hey, do you want an egg for a pet? They will open soon, so they need a good father, mother. What do you say? If you want one, take an egg to Quentin at the race tracks in the Shimmering Flats. He will tell you more.
Hello. Do not think I am here for the races, even if they are fun to watch. I am here in ThousandNeedles checking if we can fix this land. My job is to bring new, good soil to this place. Maybe I can find water near here. You must see how strange the road between Farilas and ThousandNeedles is. Bad magic made this happen. Ah, a small flying dragon egg, and it is ready to open soon. It is amazing that you found one in such good condition. People rarely see them in Farilas now. Bad hunters were trying to catch and kill them for many reasons. That is sad. They are very beautiful when they grow up. How did you find this egg?
Like she told you, Kindle and I will fight the Grim Totem now. Together we can kill some of them safely, but we want your help if you can fight. You saw the camp below us, but there are more camps to the east. Use your own plans and hit them hard. We will meet back here after they feel Kindle's arrows and your weapons. Kindle needs time to get ready, but we already killed many. The Grim Totem group knows we are here, and they are looking for us like snakes. They will try to kill us. Be careful, they will look for you too, because you helped the dragons. Kindle was right about you, you are very good at this. You have more experience than us, and we thank you. The Grim Totem group is much meaner than other Tauren. I think other Tauren do not like them. I am not surprised. Many races have bad groups. But we can talk about that another day. We are out in the wild forest, so Kindle and I do not have big prizes for you. But we want to say thank you. Take my ring. If you go to Darnassus, find the Temple of the Moon. Tyrant Whisperwind is there. Show her the ring so she knows we are okay and believes your story. We both thank you. Hello, child. We are happy to see strong travelers here in the temple. If you have time, can you tell some stories to the young people here? Your stories can help them learn. Oh, look at me, I am being rude. You came here for help and I am asking you for stories. Please forgive me. Tell me how the servants of the light can help you. That is a wonderful story. We are happy that you helped the dragons and our priestess. Jakai was right to send you to me. I will send some workers to Farilas soon, and they will bring her ring back to her. They can check on this problem during their trip. Thank you again, and please rest here like you are at home.
The Moonweavers, right? Very interesting. I wish the small dragons knew how well those two look after them. They are very good at it. So, they gave you the egg as a gift. Well, you must look after it now for as long as you want. It is almost ready to open. But we must check that it is healthy and not broken. I only need 2 magic health drinks to do a small spell to protect the egg. I have the other items here with me. The longer I stay here, the more I want to try these races. It is very exciting. Did you find the magic drinks yet? When I see if the egg is healthy, I will give it back to you until it is ready to open. Tell me when you are ready. Wonderful. These are very good. Give me a moment to mix my items together, and we will see if this egg is okay. This is a great egg. If the baby lives, it will be a very healthy pet. There is one last thing you should do. Go to Airy Peak in the hinterlands. Talk to a dwarf named Agner B. Stammer. He is a master animal trainer and he can help you help the egg open. But hurry, this egg is easy to break and will not last long without good care. Hello. How can I help you? Well, I did not see one of these for a very long time. It is a small flying dragon egg. A sprite darter type. Excellent, very good. Well, if this little baby is going to open and grow strong, we need to get some food for it. It is good that you arrived in time.